The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. All American fish cakes from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen's Gone Fishin' eCookbook are a celebration of U.S. farm-raised catfish, transformed from a simple fillet into something altogether more indulgent. The recipe begins by baking 1 pound of catfish fillets in a 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven until they flake effortlessly with a fork, a gentle cooking method that keeps the fish moist and tender. Once cooled, the fish is flaked into a hearty mixture of panko breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, a beaten egg, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, Old Bay seafood seasoning, fresh parsley, and salt. This blend of binders and flavorings echoes the classic Maryland crab cake tradition: mayonnaise and egg for moisture and cohesion, panko for a light, airy binder that disappears into the mixture, and the trio of Worcestershire, Dijon, and Old Bay for depth, tang, and a whisper of spice. The cakes are then formed into 5 large or 10 small patties and pan-fried in olive oil, 4 to 5 minutes per side, until each cake wears a crust of deep, burnished gold. The recipe's introduction calls these no ordinary fish cakes, and the cross-referenced published sources confirm why the formula works so well. Serious Eats' Daniel Gritzer, in his definitive Maryland crab cakes recipe, tested every variable and settled on the same core components: panko breadcrumbs as the ideal light, airy binder, mayonnaise at roughly 1/3 cup per pound of protein for moisture, a whole egg, stirred in for binding, and a flavor palette of mustard, Worcestershire, paprika, and Old Bay. All recipes highly rated catfish cakes. Recipe likewise pairs catfish with mayonnaise, mustard, and Old Bay, calling catfish cakes a delicious alternative to Maryland crab cakes. The Mr. Spee's highly rated food version stands out for its use of panko rather than crushed crackers, its 2-stage cook, bake the fish first, then pan-fry the formed cakes, and its generous 3 teaspoons each of Worcestershire and Old Bay, which gives the cakes a bolder, more savory character than a typical crab cake. Main ingredients: U.S. farm-raised catfish fillets 1 pound, panko breadcrumbs 1 cup, binders and flavorings: mayonnaise 1/4 cup, egg beaten 1 lemon juice 1 tablespoon, Worcestershire sauce 3 teaspoons, Dijon mustard 2 teaspoons, seasonings: seafood seasoning 3 teaspoons, chopped fresh parsley 1 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, for pan frying, olive oil 2 tablespoons. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps: 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat a baking sheet with cooking spray and set it aside. Bake the catfish. Place the 1 pound of catfish fillets on the prepared baking sheet and bake 15 to 18 minutes or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Remove from the oven and let the fish cool to room temperature so it is easy to handle. Combine the binder mixture while the fish cools. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 beaten egg, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 3 teaspoons Old Bay seafood seasoning 1 teaspoon, chopped fresh parsley, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well until all the ingredients are evenly incorporated into a thick, cohesive paste. 4. Flake the fish. Once the baked catfish is cooled, use a fork to flake the fish into bite-sized pieces, discarding any bones. Add the flaked fish to the breadcrumb mixture. 5. Form the cakes. Mix gently until the fish is evenly distributed throughout the mixture, being careful not to overwork it. Form the mixture into 5 large or 10 small, equal-sized cakes, pressing gently so each cake holds together. Place the formed cakes on a plate or tray. Cooking steps: 1. Heat the oil. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil until hot but not smoking. The oil should shimmer and coat the bottom of the pan evenly. Pan-fry the fish cakes. Carefully place the fish cakes in the hot oil, working in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Cook 4 to 5 minutes on the first side or until the bottom is a deep golden brown and crispy. Flip and cook the other side using a spatula. Carefully flip each fish cake and cook an additional 4 to 5 minutes or until the second side is equally golden and the cakes are heated through. The crust should be crisp and the interior warm and flaky. 4. Drain and repeat. Transfer the cooked fish cakes to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Repeat with the remaining cakes, adding a touch more oil to the pan between batches if needed. 5. Serve immediately. Serve the all-American fish cakes hot, straight from the pan. They pair beautifully with tartar sauce, lemon wedges, remoulade, or a simple side of coleslaw and hush puppies for a classic Southern meal.